Welcome to GMod.
Ayo.
Hey.
Gozaimasu.
Rose, are you dead or something? Or did you just spawn in a different area?
I don't know.
That always helps.
I'm ready for this.
Fuck no, I don't want to be this.
Yes, you do.
I'm ready for this spaghetti.
The hell?
Oh fuck. Oh, why the fuck am I stuck on this? There, problem solved.
Hey, I'll be your eyes in the sky.
Can't say anything, but hey, whatever.
Ah, shite.
Okay.
I'm ready for this spaghetti.
Wait, what? What did I just hear?
Christian's
Oh, no.
ready for something. Or Shelby's ready for something.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ah! I hear him picking up stuff.
Who's opening what? Oh wait, we can pick up stuff now?
No, I hear him like picking up guns.
Oh, you can pick up guns? Where?
Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Shh.
Oh,
Christian, blow them up.
It's just me versus Christian at the moment, I think.
No, it's not. I'm alive.
Oh boy.
Um.
If GMod didn't take its sweet time, it'd be me and Christian versus you two.
That frightened me slightly, because, yeah. Wait, Rose, where are you? I think in there.
Yeah.
You're in the bathroom?
Well,
Oh my god.
it is that time of the month.
Hayden.
What?
No, it's not, Shelby. What are you talking about?
It's gonna be kind of funny what I do with this.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Spectating is interesting.
Oh wait, there's water outside of here? Cool.
What the fuck, Shelby?
And then there's a
Ooh.
boat. Hi, boat. Underwater.
Uh,
Oh,
Yes, that is completely logical.
No one will notice it.
What are you? What are you?
I'm like glitched here.
Yeah.
I can't move from here.
Yeah.
Christian.
See if they
I know what
notice.
I'm doing next
Let's see.
round.
Let's see if they don't notice.
Actually,
How noticeable is this? Please. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay.
I have no idea. I'm stuck spectating you.
I'm stuck here. Okay then.
wait, where exactly are you? So
You'll find out eventually if Christian ever sees it. Just a minute and a half to do it.
Are you in
Oh,
the
boy.
toilet or something?
No.
Okay, Hayden, really? You're behind the. Okay.
Wait, behind it? Behind it? What? I was inside of it.
That was beautiful.
I was inside
How
of
did
it
you
for.
get inside of it?
I just
How
walked
did you-
into it.
Okay.
I've done this before. I sent one across the room already with doing that.
Oh my goodness.
I know exactly what I'm gonna be.
Well, somebody's stuck in the ground. Rose, your player's gonna be stuck in the ground.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. For sure.
I already got my spot.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
I'm ready to troll the fuck out of a certain roads.
I'm stuck.
I called it.
I'm stuck on Band-Aid brand because
I'm in the
Help.
best spot ever.
Hayden, help.
I don't know how to help you. Like, I really don't. Like, I don't even know where you are.
I
just
hear her beating on stuff.
I just hear her pounding.
Oh.
That sounds wrong.
She's in the whatchamacallit, the
Hayden, I see you.
sitting area. Restaurant area.
What
Just
the
try to just try to push her
fuck?
out.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
Shelby, I wish you could see what I was doing.
that's working.
It is? Yeah, I'm just getting glitched
just
all over
about-
now.
This is
I
fun.
wish that somebody could see what I was doing.
Maybe like just grenade the ground right there.
How do you grenade?
Select
Go
the
to
other gun.
Go to SMG and then right click.
You got out of the ground.
Well, that was interesting to watch.
That.
You did get out of the ground. You are like, yeah.
Oh my god. I wish somebody could see what I was doing. This
You-
is
what?
magnificent.
What were you doing? Ow! 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 Ow!
If you see what I'm doing, you can't say it.
I
Okay?
I don't see you though. I can only spectate Hayden. Yeah.
You
No,
can look around though.
No, press space and it'll release you to free roam.
Okay. Well.
Christian, type me what you're doing at the moment.
Christian, can you give me a hint?
What's not
No.
in the right spot? Someone was down here.
Down where?
This room down here.
Oh god. This is the best.
I'm trying to find you, Christian, and I can't.
What doesn't look right about any of the rooms that you've seen before?
Besides my dead body. I don't know. I'm not familiar with this.
Oh
I
god.
can't- I can't even.
Oh my
Where?
god.
Are you?
I can't believe you don't see anything that I'm doing.
Just
Ow.
Okay.
Just a casual stroll
Okay.
outside. I'm gonna take a seat right
I see
here and drink
Shelby.
some like Starbucks, you know.
I see Shelby.
Okay.
But I still don't see Christian.
Oh man. Oh
Christian, text me, bud.
Hey,
Where you at?
what you doing out there?
Shelby, this is why you're irritating as ever in this game.
Huh?
That's why you're really irritating in this game.
It's fun. Don't...
Hayden, go to the top floor and, or not the top floor. Yeah, the top floor. Start opening some doors. Okay? Go to the top floor and start opening some doors.
What the fuck?
Really?
Uh,
Really, Christian?
I barricaded the room. Holy shit!
Oh.
And that happened. Time to dance on his dead body.
Yeah!
Oh my.
Don't get stuck in the ground again.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god, that was awesome. I loved that.
Let's see where they spawn. Okay, they spawned up there. Okay.
Yeah, Hayden, when you opened the sliding glass doors that was behind the trash can and went back in.
Okay.
That was amazing.
Oh
and then I
god,
just
no.
followed you around for a while.
You having some problems there?
Yeah.
Oh god, Shelby, I think we could do this.
We could easily do this.
Maybe. I do not know. Oh. Well, why don't I just grab that?
Did no one really just see that? Oh my god.
Don't take both of them.
How did no one just see that?
I don't know.
Ah, Christian.
This is an interesting slideshow,
I'm
though.
so confused.
You left me the grenades though, thanks, bud.
I like this
What, did
slideshow.
Christian just die?
No, I did not.
This is a really
Oh, dear.
interesting slideshow. I like it.
What slideshow are you watching?
The one downstairs.
What?
The one downstairs. It's very interesting.
What did I just hear?
What the hell? Why isn't this one?
Well, that's the end of that slideshow.
Shelby. come here.
Okay. Is Christian just suicide bombing?
Shelby, this table isn't breaking, but it's not making me lose any health.
Which table?
The one up here.
Because tables aren't a prop.
They are in a certain case. Like in that room over there, it was a prop for 1 second.
Oh,
Oh.
I just hit the table and it took damage, so yeah.
Did no one
I didn't.
fucking what?
Oh, what the hell?
Motherfucking boy.
Aw.
Well, I only have 25 health left.
Okay, well, suicide it then.
Because he told me that he was watching a slideshow, so I blew up the slideshow area. Wait a second.
Fudge.
Where were you?
She was in between the oven.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Where are you, Hayden?
Nowhere. I'm very clever with things.
Mm-hmm.
What do we have?
Oh wait,
Yeah.
I can just spectate. I'm stupid.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were doing.
No. Yes, that is the most inconspicuous thing in the world.
Oh,
know.
boy.
If we were able to pick up stuff, it'd be easier.
Shh, no one will notice.
Oh.
Oh.
Said O to one of us.
Oh.
I opened a room.
That's
Wait
not
a
what
minute.
he said.
Wait a minute.
What?
Wait. Do you see this?
Said O to one of us.
No, I didn't actually. I just messed something up. Like, oh, whoops.
Well then.
What? Hayden, what is that?
Wait a second.
It might be what Christian keeps his cat in.
A box!
Okay, if you're glitched inside a box, that's cheating.
I'm not
No,
glitched
he's
inside of a
not.
block. And block.
Minecraft.
I think I have a feeling where he's at.
He's not in the bathrooms.
Oh jeez.
How do you know who's who?
Go up to them, it should show their name.
Doo. See a problem with this. See a very
What?
big problem with this. Nothing really. Except for this fact right here.
Oh my Lanta.
Shelby, you're so stupid looking.
Wait,
Why are you
how
trying
do
to hit a table?
How do you crouch jump again, Christian?
Oh my god.
Christian. How do you crouch?
Control.
Oh, you.
Oh, you're a fucking savage. You little bitch. That sucks.
That was beautiful. Who died?
Shelby.
Shelby died?
Oh, you didn't?
I died.
Oh.
No, who was it that just died a second ago? That made the game end?
No one died, just the round ended
Timer
because
now.
I won.
Oh.